GIFT Nifty is little changed as budget-led volatility reawakens Nifty bears. Discover potential tax changes, key technical levels, and insights into India's economic goals. The biggest positive takeaway from yesterday's volatile session was that India VIX cooled down by 17.49% at 12.74 levels. This Wednesday, GIFT Nifty is little changed, indicating Nifty may waver in today's trade. Budget-led volatility seen reawakening Nifty bears. We suspect the buy and hold strategy is likely to lose favor as tinkering in long-term and short-term capital gains taxes could dishearten investors in a big way. So, the trading theme shall continue to revolve around 1. Short-term gains of financial assets to attract 20% tax rate. 2. Long-term gains on all financial and non-financial asset to attract a tax rate of 12.5%. Besides the tax shocker, the overarching theme of the budget is fiscal consolidation and focus on employment generation. This makes us firmly believe that FM Sitharaman's union budget ushers a new leg to the bull market. The budget has given lots of impetus for domestic-led growth on backdrop of higher capex. Bottom line, the union budget could be a game changer and represents the reforms of the BJP government as all bullish eyes now aim for India's ambition to reach the $5 trillion economy goal. Global cues are mostly range-bound. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2975 crores while DIIs were net buyers to tune of Rs 1419 crores. Sentiments turn risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are still indicating overbought technical conditions plus bearish engulfing pattern on the daily charts. F&O July month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX has cooled down towards 12.74 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th July, is at 0.75 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 31st July, is at 0.88. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Nifty, CMP to 4479. Support, 24,200 to 24,100. Resistance, 24,600 to 24,800. Range 24,100 to 24,800. Bias sideways. Bank Nifty CMP 51778. Support 51,200 to 51,000. Resistance 52,300 to 52,500. Range 51,200 to 52,500. Bias sideways. In the roadmap for pursuit of Viksit Bharat, the biggest positive takeaway was that the government to spend 11.11 trillion rupees for infrastructure spending capex in FY25, 3.4% of GDP. Q1 results to trickle in today. Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Holdings, CG Power, DCB Bank, Federal Bank, IEX, IGL, Jindal Steel, Lanti, OFSS, Petronet, SBI Life, Ugad. Thursday, 25th July, Ashok Leyland, AU Bank, Canara Bank, Chennai Petro, DLF, Laurus Labs, MGL, Mphasis, Nestle, Ramco Cement.